Today we are unboxing and trying out the Nespresso Recipe Glass. So this is a large recipe glass. I don't know if this comes in another size, but I love Nespresso glassware. So this was actually a free gift with purchase and I figured I had to try it. Now I love to wait for Nespresso to give glasses like this before I place an order because I think it's the most bang for your buck. I probably should wait like it's not a set to maybe get something like free sleeves because that's, probably a better payout, but I do really like their glassware. This is pretty big, I am not going to lie, so this would probably be better for like something with ice in it to take up all that space. I think my latte would probably only come down to here. It is a thick wall. I can actually show you the comparison to the mug set. So these are my favorite mugs of all time. You'll see it is quite a different size. So I wonder if they have a recipe glass in this size. I would actually really prefer that. But overall, I think it's just really, I just really love these glasses. I can't tell if it is, no, I think it's the exact same size of the rim. So it's probably gonna be the exact same kind of mouth feel. I do like how big this is if you do put something warm in here and wanna hold it. So we might go ahead and try this out maybe with like a chai tea latte or like a dirty chai. So let's go ahead and do that. Right, so as with whenever you purchase anything to drink out of or to eat out of, you should always just rinse it out first. So we did that. Now I'm gonna take my favorite milk. This is Horizon milk. I think it tastes really good. I'm gonna put it to the lower line in here. And then we're gonna start to heat that up, maybe a little bit more, because this is a pretty big glass. Then I am using the Trader Joe's spicy chai, and it's not too spicy, it is a little sugary. What they say on the back is actually kind of ridiculous. It says like add, and this is 5 servings per container. It says add 2 scoops or a third cup with 9 ounces. We're not gonna do that, we're gonna put like this much, right? And what I like to do is I like to put it directly in here as it is frothing, and that's it. We might add like a little bit more. I like to do it by the color. Okay, that's good. All right, so while that is going, I'm actually going to go ahead and I already primed this. I'm gonna pop that underneath there. I'm gonna take my decaf because we do not need any extra caffeine this morning. And we'll clip it in and we're gonna go ahead and use the espresso side. Amazing. What I love about these recipe glasses is that you actually see it forming at the bottom, and you can see that thin layer of foam as well. I'm gonna click it again. You can use these 2 times. Some people don't like to, but I do because it's just, I'm gonna add more water to this anyway, so I'd rather have coffee flavored water. And we'll let it go all the way on the foam because that's what's gonna heat it up the most over here. And then once this is done, we will just simply combine them and enjoy. Now, I really like this machine. I think it is pretty quick. It's already done. So now we're gonna take this. All right, there is our latte or our espresso part. We have to tap it and swirl it because apparently that's what they do there. Apparently you try to like swirl this. My next channel is gonna be a latte art channel. Oh, and it's actually the perfect size. So I stand corrected. I think this is a good size for a latte or for a chai tea latte. So there you have it. It looks gorgeous. So it looks pretty blonde though. You can see like the foam part versus the actual liquid part. Anyway, let's give it a sip. It's perfect. So cheers.